Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had inaugurated the Chief Minister's Solar Mission at the State Convention Centre, Shillong on 11th August 2023 in presence of Power Minister Taher Mondal and Chairman of MNREDA Rupert Momin and Secretary Power Department Joram Beda. The notable highlights of the Chief Minister's solar mission include subsidized solar hybrid inverters and solar water heaters for all citizens, a range of solar inverter capacities from 500 VA to 40 kVA, integration of solar systems with the main grid through net metering, and subsidized solar water heaters to provide hot water without relying on electricity. At the launch, Power Minister A.T. Mondal also spoke and credited the Chief Minister for the initiative that would benefit the people of the state. He also highlighted problems related to power, as Meghalaya largely depends on hydropower for generation of electricity.
Crores a year in investing in this solar mission with a mix of portfolio of funding from different agencies, including the state government. And through this, we are hopeful that in the next 5 years, we should be able to touch anything between 200 to minimum 300 megawatts of installed power supply of solar in to this mission, which means it will be almost equal to the installed capacity that we have right now through the hydro projects that we have. Now, while we do this, we understand that there are challenges. It's not easy. We also understand that in solar there are challenges because we don't have the sun for about 5-6 months. We don't get proper sunlight, and in the other 2-3 months it is partial, and only about 4 to 5 months we get more radiation and more sun. That is why the technology that we'll be using is a tried and tested technology.